Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I told you yesterday we was going to do the envelope to put this card in that we made. So we are going to make that now. You're going to need one piece of paper for the bottom that is 7 3/8 by 7 3/8, and you're going to score at 1 inch all the way around. And then just go ahead and burnish your score lines. Okay, and then you're going to just choose a side, it doesn't matter which, and you're going to cut up on that score line, and then you're going to cut that score line out. So cut up on the left hand side of the score line and then just cut that score line out, and then just wedge a little bit off of there. Turn it, do the same thing over here. Then turn it again. Just keep doing that all the way around. Alright, that is the bottom, and now we're going to put some glue on these little tabs. And then, just as we normally do on all of our boxes, just make sure that your corners match up. So those score lines need to match up and make a really nice corner there. All right. So there's the bottom of your box, and now you see your card is going to fit right down in there. And now we'll make the top, and the top is going to be reinforced. This needs to be 7.5 by 7.5. You're going to score at 1/2 inch and 1 inch all the way around. So 1/2 inch and 1 inch all the way around. And then where you see these little boxes right here, as we normally do, we're going to cut up on that first score line, cut up on the second score line. See? Just like that. And then you're going to cut this one off completely because you don't need that one, and then cut the first little tab off on that one so that you have that little stair step. That's how you make your reinforced top. And then you're going to go to the, turn it, go to the other side, do the same thing. So you're going to do this all the way around. Okay, so we have all of those cut. Now you could have scored it before if you wanted to. It might have been a little bit easier, but we're just going to do it now. We just got these little tabs that we're going to fold up, so it's not a problem. Okay, and now all we're going to do is we're going to put some glue on these little tabs all the way around. So those 4 little tabs we're going to put some glue on. And you're just going to fold them up, put them together just like that. Don't worry about this right now. We'll do that in just a moment. Okay, once you have all of those up, now on this little top part right here, you're going to put some glue and glue all of those down inside the box. Then I just take my bone folder and flip it to the side, and then just press that down really well so that my glue gets all spread out. And you could use a double-sided adhesive on this. That would be fine. Okay, so there is our top. And it just sits down on there. Just like that. So there is the top for your little box, and as you can see, the top doesn't come down all the way, so that's that reinforced part. Okay, I think you could stick this in the mail, or you could put it down in a little bubble envelope and mail it to someone, and it should be just fine. Your card would be anyway. Your envelope might get, or your box might get bent just a little bit, but your card is going to be just fine. Alright, let's put a piece of paper on the top of this, and I'm going to use this side. I think that's really pretty. I'm not going to put anything else on it because if I mailed it, it would just get torn off. This one I'm going to hand deliver, so it's not going to be a problem. But if I mailed it, if I put something bulky on there, it would get torn off. So we're just going to stick that down just like that. And I have one little heart left. We might just stick that right there in that corner, just for the heck of it, because we have one left. And then let's see. And we might put one little piece of bling right in the center. If it gets knocked off, it's no biggie. But that'll just give it a little bit of decoration. So that is it. There is your box for the card. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you're planning on coming to Texas for the Made It Con, we'll be teaching 6 classes there. We'd love to have you join us. I'll put that direct link below so that you can go over and check out the classes. We'd love to have you come. If you can't come for classes, then we're going to have a free meet and greet where you can meet all the teachers, talk to us, ask us questions, that kind of thing. So we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.